Hello students, let's continue lesson number 12, The Age of Exploration. Children, we have already read about Ferdinand Magellan. Now today we will read about Christopher Columbus. So all of you put finger in your SST book. Christopher Columbus. Christopher Columbus was an Italian navigator. Columbus wanted to find a new route to Asia. He also wanted to find a new route to Asia. Who was Christopher Columbus, children? Christopher Columbus was born in 1451 and he was Italian. When he grew up, he became a great explorer who sailed across the Atlantic Ocean hoping to find a route to India. Children, he wanted to find a sea route to India. Why he wanted to find a sea route to India? Because children, India was very important because many of the spices that people in Europe wanted grew there. They used these spices in cooking, for medicine, to dye their clothes, and lots of other things. In the year 1492 CE, with the help of King Ferdinand II and Queen Isabella I of Spain, Columbus set sail with 3 ships westward across the Atlantic Ocean to reach Asia. Children, he has started his journey in the year 1492. Columbus sailed for King Ferdinand II and Queen Isabella of Spain. Columbus sailed with 3 ships, and children, name of these 3 ships were the Neha, the Pinta, and the Santa Maria, and about 90 crew members with him. They set sail in August 1492 from Spain. Children, Christopher Columbus thought that it was possible to sail west from Europe to quickly reach Asia. Columbus wanted to find a western sea route to Asia. So he has started his journey from Europe and Atlantic Ocean towards westward. The islands were actually the present day islands of the Caribbean. What is the name of the island? Caribbean. The islands were actually the present day islands of the Caribbean. Later, Columbus also visited Cuba, Haiti, and many other small islands. In his later voyages, he further explored the islands of the Caribbean Sea and the coasts of Central America and a part of the northern coast of South America. Christopher Columbus failed to discover a new sea route to Asia. Children, he has failed to discover a new sea route to Asia. However, he has long been credited as the discoverer of the New World Americas. Children, he has discovered Americas. See, in October 1492, they spotted the Caribbean islands off the coast of America. They landed on an island. They named it San Salvador. They have named this island San Salvador. Columbus did not know it at the time, but he had discovered a new part of the world. Children, he was failed to discover the sea route to Asia, but he had discovered a new part of the world. Many people moved to the Americas after his great discovery. it became known as the New World. Children, that place known as the New World. Children, I hope you have understood today's topic very well. So children, you will read lesson number 12 and learn important points. Thank you.